Imagine getting a surprise gift, just for being you. That's kind of like a crypto airdrop. It's essentially free cryptocurrency that gets delivered directly to your wallet. But why would projects give away free crypto? It's a bit like marketing magic. New crypto projects need attention. They need people to use their coin or token. Airdrops are a clever way to get that buzz going. By giving away some of their crypto for free, projects can attract new users and build a strong community. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Think of it like getting a free sample at the grocery store. You get to try something new, and the company gets to introduce their product to a wider audience. In the crypto world, these free samples can sometimes turn out to be quite valuable down the line. Now, not all airdrops are created equal. Just like there are different types of gifts, there are different ways you can qualify for an airdrop. Let's explore some of the most common types. Holder airdrops. These are like exclusive gifts for loyal customers. To qualify, you need to already own a certain amount of a specific cryptocurrency. For example, if you hold a certain amount of Ethereum, you might be eligible for an airdrop from a new project built on the Ethereum blockchain. Bounty airdrops. These are rewards for completing tasks, kind of like earning points for shopping. You might need to follow a project on social media, share their content, or sign up for their newsletter. Fork airdrops. Sometimes a blockchain undergoes a major upgrade, creating a fork in the road. To support this change, users who held the original cryptocurrency before the fork might receive an equal amount of the new forked cryptocurrency. Ready to start collecting some free crypto? Great! Here's a simple guide to get you started. Get yourself a crypto wallet. Think of this as your digital piggy bank where you'll store your crypto treasures. Popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Explore airdrop aggregators. These are websites and platforms dedicated to listing upcoming and ongoing airdrops. Some popular ones include Airdrop Alert, CoinMarketCal, and Airdrop King. Do your research. Don't just jump into every airdrop you come across. Take some time to understand the project, its team, and its goals. Look for red flags and avoid anything that seems too good to be true. Follow instructions carefully. Each airdrop will have specific requirements you need to meet to qualify. Pay close attention to the details and follow the instructions to the letter. Section 4. Tips for successful airdrop hunting. Airdrop hunting can be exciting, but a little strategy can go a long way. Here are some tips to increase your chances of success. First, be an early bird. The crypto world moves fast. Try to get in on airdrops early as the rewards are often greater and the competition is less fierce. Next, be active on social media. Many airdrops require social media engagement. Follow projects you're interested in on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord to stay updated on their latest announcements. Also, don't spread yourself too thin. It's better to focus on a few promising airdrops rather than trying to participate in every single one. Quality over quantity. And lastly, stay organized. Keep track of the airdrops you participated in, the deadlines, and the requirements. A simple spreadsheet or note-taking app can be your best friend. Section 5. Staying safe in the airdrop world. While airdrops can be a great way to dip your toes into the crypto world, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Scammers love to take advantage of unsuspecting newcomers, so stay vigilant. First, never share your private keys. Your private keys are like the password to your crypto vault. Never share them with anyone, no matter what. Also, beware of phishing scams. Scammers often create fake websites or social media accounts that look identical to legitimate projects. Always double-check URLs and social media handles before entering any personal information. And remember, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Airdrops are inherently risky. The value of the tokens you receive can fluctuate, and some projects may not succeed. Lastly, report suspicious activity. If you encounter any suspicious activity or believe you've been scammed, report it to the relevant authorities immediately. Section 6. Conclusion. Your journey to free crypto begins. Airdrops can be a fun and rewarding way to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. By understanding the different types of airdrops, following safety precautions, and staying informed, you can position yourself to claim your share of free crypto. Remember, the crypto space is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, enjoy the ride.